Today I'm just going to show you a quick exhaust tip that I made, a custom made exhaust tip for my truck. There it is. Nothing really special, fancy, but it took me a little while to make it. Had a buddy cut up the aluminum for the tip itself. I welded it all together. You can see a couple little spots in there, but you know, hey, for what I want, it works good. It looks good. And now to secure it, it's just secured with a couple bolts. You can see that one down there. You can see the other one up there. It just pinches the exhaust a little bit and holds it nice and tight. Doesn't stick out too far. I think it turned out pretty nice.